In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Substack. Substack is a popular platform for independent writers and creators who want to publish newsletters and build a dedicated audience. The process is simple and straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to dive into the world of Substack. To begin, head over to substack.com/signup. Once you're there, you'll need to sign up using your email address. It's a quick process, but ensure you use an active email that you check frequently, as this will be your primary way to manage your account and communicate with your subscribers. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a publication name. This is an important step because your publication name will not only be how people identify your work, but also form part of your unique URL. Additionally, provide a brief description of your publication. The description should succinctly communicate what your readers can expect from your content. So take your time to craft something engaging and reflective of your voice and style. After setting up your publication, you can immediately start creating and publishing your content. To create a post, find the option to start a new post in your dashboard. You'll have a text editor where you can write, format, and add images or links as needed. Substack makes it easy to focus on content creation, allowing you to share your thoughts and ideas with the world effortlessly. Exploring Substack is also a great way to see what other writers are doing and get some inspiration. You can browse through various publications or search for specific writers that you may be interested in. This gives you a sense of the diverse topics and writing styles within the community. As you browse around, you might come across certain publications or writers you find intriguing. Most Substack publications will have a subscribe button on their homepage or within their newsletters. Clicking this button will allow you to receive their content directly in your inbox, ensuring you never miss an update from your favorite writers. Lastly, managing your subscriptions is easy. Anytime you wish to adjust your preferences, head over to your account settings. Here, you'll see an option to manage your subscriptions where you can update your choices or unsubscribe from any publication if you need to. And that's it, you're now set up to explore the world of Substack as both a creator and a reader. Whether you're publishing your own work or just enjoying what others have to say, Substack is a fantastic platform to engage with. Happy writing and reading.